Hello everyone and welcome to another Muse Kits weekly challenge video. My name is Jake and today we'll be doing the third challenge prompt for this month, that word being spooky. So when we think of the word creepy, I feel like we've all had that one point in our life that we were absolutely freaked out by some creepy doll. This drawing is my take on a creepy, lifeless, yet almost alive like creepy doll. I mainly focused on using just the colored pencils and pens for this piece to get the job done. With the colored pencils, I was able to get a pretty good sense of depth and shadow and highlights using just a couple colored pencils. To finish her off, I didn't know how I wanted to give this kind of creepy aura, so I ended up taking a red pencil and then kind of making a fluffy shadow around the whole doll to kind of give off this evil energy. But I am going to be quiet and let you all enjoy this, and I will see you all at the end with the final results. Alright everyone, that is our completed piece using the word spooky. Now I think this turned out pretty creepy, but you're going to have to let me know what you think down below. Now don't forget about the other weekly challenge prompts that are in your brochure, as well as the weekly challenge videos where I try to tackle each one myself. So make sure you subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss videos like this one. And if you enjoy my work, make sure to check me out over my personal channel over at Gustafson Designs. The link is going to be down in the description. But that is all for today everyone, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.